This is problemo number 2. Fuse. Relay, baby. Which one? This one here?
The ones in the front and the ones in the back. It could be either or. That's the error 20 that we used to have back in the day for fuses.
Yeah, this is the same tractor.
If you take it out and just blow it.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, just warm it up a little bit. It works, right?
Hold on, stuff. Playing with the relays at the back.
Did you play already?
No.
Try it now. Give it a shot. Give it a shot, baby. No?
I pulled that one out already.
Yeah?
Yeah. I checked the fuses.
Yeah,
5
all
amp
good?
fuse. I pulled every single one out. They're all good. We're gonna have to park this inside the shop for a couple days in the meeting room.
Yeah.
Let this thing dry right out. I've got a feeling there's water or something.
Well, it was good for 3 snow events, and then boom, it's back again.
No, the last one.
Was it the last? Yeah, maybe it was the last event.
I got a feeling water's getting in there and screwing it up.
I don't know.